In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flush your tankless hot water heater using regular household vinegar. Doing this helps get rid of mineral buildup and keeps your hot water heater running like it should. This is a simple DIY project that only takes a few basic tools, and you can use them again every year instead of paying for that expensive plumber. And honestly, it's way easier than most people think. Tankless hot water heaters are awesome, but they are not completely maintenance free. Over time, minerals in your water start to build up on the inside of the unit, and that can really affect your water temperature, the flow, and its overall performance. The good news is, flushing your tankless hot water heater is pretty straightforward, and it's something you should do about every year to keep it working its best. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. You'll need a small submersible pump, 2 washing machine hoses, a 5-gallon bucket, 2 gallons of white vinegar. There's no need to buy those expensive descaling solutions. You'll also want an adjustable wrench, a few towels or rags, just in case you spill a little water on the floor. Step 1 is shutting everything off. Turn off the power to the unit, either gas or electric, and then shut off the water inlet valves. If you've recently been using hot water, give the unit a few minutes to cool down. We don't want the heat exchanger hot once the water has been drained. Now for the main part, flushing the heater. Start by connecting your hoses to the service ports on the unit. All tankless hot water heaters should have these. Next, set your pump in the bucket, open up the service ports, and drain the water out of the system. Once it's drained, take a quick minute to inspect the pre-filter at the cold water inlet. Simply unscrew it and rinse it with fresh water if needed. This is a good habit to get in, and it only takes a second. After that, pour the vinegar into the bucket. Turn on the pump and let it circulate through the system for 45 to 60 minutes. Before you walk away, do a quick check for leaks. Once everything looks good, you can let it run. Once the flush is done, dump out the vinegar and refill the bucket with clean, fresh water. Turn the cold water back on and let the fresh water run through the system and rinse everything out. After that, disconnect the hose, close all the valves, turn your water supply back on, power, and gas. Give everything a final check for leaks, and you're good to go. And that's it. Once everything's back, leak-free, your tankless hot water heater is officially flushed and ready to go. Doing this simple maintenance once a year helps keep your water temperature consistent, improves its overall efficiency, and can really extend the life of your unit. And the best part, you just saved yourself a service call and a good chunk of money doing it yourself. If you found the video helpful, consider hitting that like button, and if you're into simple DIY projects like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.